this is blanket stitch, and if you're left-handed, you start from the right side of your work. So first of all, we'll thread the needle, and blanket stitch uses up quite a lot of thread, so take some extra, but not so much that it's going to get knotted. You can take your return thread back a bit longer. Turn your binker over, and then secure your stitch on the back near where you're going to sew. So there we are. I'm tucking it under those nice little useful loops on the back of the binker. You can bring the needle to the front, 2 from the top edge, 2 holes, and 2 from the side edge. And it creates a little loop when you bring it through. Now you're going to post the needle through that loop and then pull it firmly, and that gets you started. Now to demonstrate this, we're going to do 2 holes from the previous stitching and 2 holes from the top. 1, 2 there. So I'm going to put the needle into the binker but bring it on the outside over the thread. 2 across, up the way over the thread. So we go in from the front, out the side and over the thread. Yeah, there we are. Same again. To the back but over the thread when you secure the stitch. Now you can see that sometimes you have to sort of wiggle. You don't want your yarn to be too tight, but not too loose either, otherwise you lose the shape. So 1, 2, up the way. Now, when you want to finish, you've got to make sure that that top edge there stays secure. So if you turn it to the back and put a stitch through, so you're wrapping the thread around that last stitch, then that makes it more secure. And then you just put your spare thread down the back, as we've done before, pull it out and trim. So this is blanket stitch. And you can do it 2 from the edge on binker or 1 from the edge. And sometimes you can do it 3, but I think it's up to you. Quite big, that is.